Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can join a messenger group without a link. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chat section, people, and right here you're going to find your stories. So right now, I'm going to go back to the chats section. Here you're going to find all of your conversations. So right now, if you want to join a messenger group without a link, there is only one way. This way is for you need the admin to add you directly to the group. So you can contact the admin if you know him and ask him to add you directly to the group if you don't have the link or the invite link for the group. If you want to create a group chat, it's pretty easy. All you need to do, guys, is go ahead and click on the pen icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, right here, they're going to ask you if you want to create a group chat or a community. So right now, I'm going to click on create a group chat. Then once you do that, you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, right here, you just need to add people to your group chat. You need to add at least 2 people. And then once you choose who you want to add, just go ahead and click on create. Then the group chat will be created. So basically, guys, it will be like any group chat that you have or any conversation that you have. You can send messages and so on. You can also click on the icon in the top right corner to see the settings of your group chat. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.